What's up, guitar players? Chris from Unison here. Today we're looking at how to play Tony Iommi's Juggernaut of a Score on Black Sabbath's Iron Man. Now there's a lot to unpack here, so try to keep up. You got the tab there to help you out. Watch how I do those hammer-ons, pull-offs, and bends and slides. It's crazy. Let's go. All right, let's get right into it. First phrase is going to sound like this. So let's play that again a little bit faster, starting on the 7 right here. Awesome. Now for the second phrase, we're going to do a double stop on the 9s right here. It's going to be a few double stops in this next phrase and some pull-offs, but we're sticking pretty much in this 9th position, pentatonic box shape. A little bit faster. Okay, so let's do a recap of those first two phrases. All right, third phrase is going to start right underneath that 11 on the D string. Hit it once, and then we're going to bend. It's going to sound like this. Alright, so coming from before that. Alright, so you can see the connection there. Alright, so moving to the fourth phrase here. After that hammer on to the 11, we're going to go right to the 9. Alright, there's going to be a lot of pull-offs here, so watch carefully. So how I'm negotiating that double 9s there is just a finger roll down. Okay? Finger roll, so if you can kind of collapse your knuckle down, it'd be nice to get that finger roll on those double 9s at the end of the phrase. Cool. That's a tough one to get fast, so you're gonna have to really get familiar with your pull-offs on that one, especially. So, all right, we're gonna connect the last two phrases. So the one that starts on the 11, and then the one that starts on, so the one that starts on the 11 on the 3rd string. So here it goes. So moving on to the next phrase. This is our third last phrase, and it's going to sound a little something like this. So coming from that full step bend, we're going to do another full step bend. All right, so connecting those last two phrases. All right, so this second last phrase is going to be a doozy. Bear with me on this one. I'll try to play it as slow as I can. If you have to, pause the video, okay? Do a little finger roll there. Set yourself up. Start with the pad of your finger on the 9 on the 3rd string, and then roll it to the fingertip. All right, so you got to be prepared for that. Last one is an easy one with a lot of hammer-ons, but quick hammer-ons. So check it out. So a little recap.